Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this Audio Pro microphone, which I'm super excited about. So since it's already open a little bit there, let's go ahead and open it. So a few of the specs on this microphone is basically listed out on here. So it says that it's earphone monitoring, professional noise reducing, cardioid pickup, plug and play, clear recording, and volume adjustment. Yeah, it's called a condenser microphone. Love the packaging. Everything is like so chic and slick. Ooh. And right over here, you can go ahead and register your stuff. Everything, all the instructions. So this is what the microphone looks like. It's quite heavy. The stand is like legit. Of course, you can turn and twist it however you want to adjust. Here we have the different knobs for the mic as well as the earphones, and you just turn it like this. Microphone mute button. We also have a puff that it comes with, or whatever these are called, but it goes over the microphone like this. So these help muffle a little bit so that the sound comes cleaner. Another thing that it comes with is the cord to plug it. This is what it looks like. And then the USB. Here is another cord. It also comes with this thing. Okay, so step one, you want to connect the cable to whichever device you're trying to use the microphone with. And then next, and or if you want to use it with your headphones. This is how to adjust different things. You want to hold the microphone at a 45-degree angle away from you for the best sound. And then, so everything is listed out over here as to what they are, like, you know, type C cable, etc., blah, blah, as well as what that thing was, the condenser. So in here is basically all the computer setup of, like, you know, how you're supposed to use it and to connect it with your Mac and or your Windows, blah, blah, blah. All the different software is literally listed out over here. And then, of course, at the end, if you have any questions, you can contact them directly on how to use it. So let me know in the comments, is this something that you would use for your podcast, for singing, what it is that you would prefer to use a microphone for. And if you like unboxings and all that good stuff, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.